Forecast for western. Wave detail, southwest 2 feet at 3 seconds. Chance of showers after midnight. For Wednesday, west winds 10 to 15. Daylight time. 55 at Kennedy, New York, Columbia, and Green. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued severe
Number 3 or 4 for the year. Nice. Oh, nice. Oh, these are tweeted. Don't get that confused.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ulster County in east central New York, west central Columbia County and east central New York.
She found one of the 5s actually got actual radios going off for that.
South central Schoharie County and east central New York until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Gilboa to Hamptons, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hudson, Catskill, Hunter, Woodstock, Coxsackie, Wyndham, Athens, Clarksville, Lawrence Pine, West Hurley, North-South Lake Campground, Woodland Valley Campground, West Shotton, Kenneth L. Wilson Campground, Felicia, Mount Trevor, Lanesville, Ola Bridge, Cairo, and Redwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground light monitoring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Columbia, Greene, Schoharie, and Ulster.
Nice.
The National Weather Service in Albany. Vermont.
Alright, just barely got that one. Didn't expect 2 of them.
That car out there is running.
Yeah, it is.
Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stanford to near Chester to near Beckett, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. A wind gust of 51 miles per hour was reported in Pittsfield from these thunderstorms. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Amherst, Northampton, Greenfield, Orange, Deerfield, Monroe, Montague, Hadley, Sunderland, Hatfield, Northfield, Williamsburg, Huntington, Bernardston,
Northfield, not my Northfield.
Leverett, Irving, and Shutesbury. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central
Massachusetts. Alright, well, this is becoming a thing. Oh wait, that's a different one.
winds around 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday
That's green, yep.
cloudy. A chance of light rain, mainly in the evening.
Yep. Yep. WXJ 41. Yep. I hear it going off.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Litchfield County, southern Berkshire County in western
Massachusetts,
northeastern Ulster County in east central New York, northern Dutchess County in east central New York, Columbia County in east central New York, eastern Greene County in east central New York until 10:30 p.m. At
Please don't
9:25
be an overnight version of
a severe
September
thunderstorm
6th,
was located over Greenwich Park,
2025.
moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kingston, Great Barrington, Hudson, Catskill, Saugerties, Rennebeck, Chatham, Hurley, Clayback, Lee, Lenox, Livingston, Copiague, Sheffield, Coxsackie, Sharon, Pine Plains, Claremont, Red Hook, and Ballaby. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the forecast for southwest Connecticut.
Oh, this battery's already dying. That was quick.
This has been a test of the NOAA radio tone and same alert systems. This test the radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA radio and same alert systems. This is a test of NOAA radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. This test is conducted each Wednesday between the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of be activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all counties in the state of Connecticut, and for Nassau and Suffolk, Sussex, Union and Warren, and in southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device for WXL34. We activate this alarm for the following counties in New York State: Albany, Rensselaer, Montgomery, Fulton, Saratoga, Schenectady, Schoharie, Greene, and Columbia counties. This has been an alarm test. Reception of this broadcast, and the warning alarm feature, will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. Here is the impacts at 21.5 feet, minor flood stage. Water floods onto the Mohawk Wharf in Village of Waterford. Additional details, at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday the stage was 21.4 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise to a crest of 21.8 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late tonight. Flood stage is 21.5 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/